Welcome to Inspection Expert. Today, we will learn about penetrant testing, one of the simplest, most widely used, and most important methods of non-destructive testing, or NDT. Penetrant testing helps identify surface defects such as cracks, porosity, or leaks on a material's surface, quickly and effectively. Because of its simplicity and accuracy, it's used across industries like oil and gas, aerospace, and manufacturing to ensure product quality and safety. First of all, how to do penetrant testing. 1. Clean the part. Make sure the surface is clean and dry, no dirt, oil, or paint. 2. Apply the penetrant. Spray or brush it on the surface. Wait for a few minutes so it can go inside any cracks. This is called dwell time. 3. Wipe the extra liquid. Remove the extra dye carefully. Wipe it one direction, no multi-direction allowed. Only the liquid inside cracks should stay. 4. Spray white powder, developer. This powder pulls the red liquid out of cracks and makes them show up clearly. This is called developing time. 5. Check the surface. Now look carefully, cracks will appear as red lines or spots on the white background. 6. Clean again. After inspection, clean everything and record your results. There are two major types of penetrant testing. One is visible or dye contrast penetrant testing, another one is fluorescent penetrant testing. Further, based on excess penetrant removal, penetrant testing is classified into 4 types. 1. Water washable. The extra penetrant can be easily washed off with water. 2. Post-emulsifiable, lipophilic. First, an oil-based emulsifier is applied, it mixes with the penetrant. Then it can be washed off with water. Test tube used when better control and sensitivity are needed. 3. Post-emulsifiable, hydrophilic. Similar to type 2, but the emulsifier is water-based instead of oil-based. More sensitive and gives better results for fine cracks. Sweat droplets common in aerospace and high-precision inspection. 4. Solvent removable. Extra penetrant is wiped off using a special solvent and a clean cloth. Often used for small parts or when water can't be used. Roll of paper, portable and simple, good for field inspections. Requirements of penetrant testing. 1. Test should be done within 10 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. 2. Intensity and visibility. Visible dye 100-foot candles, 1000 lux, white light. Fluorescent dye 1000 microwatts per square centimeter UV light with less than 2-foot candles visible light. 3. Dwell time. The penetrant must be allowed to stay on the surface for a specific time, usually 5 to 30 minutes. 4. The developer and penetrant should be compatible, from same manufacturer. Let's consider some limitations of penetrant testing. 1. PT can only find defects open to the surface. It cannot detect internal or subsurface defects. 2. Works only on non-porous materials. 3. PT cannot be done magnetic particle tested surface right after because all particles will be trapped inside the defects. To perform penetrant testing, ASME Section 5 Article 6 gives the procedure and method. Acceptance criteria of penetrant testing. Linear indications like crack, lack of fusion, lack of penetration, undercuts are not acceptable. For rounded indications, the diameter of defects exceed greater than 3 mm is not acceptable. Health and safety. Some penetrant materials are flammable, so use it carefully and store properly. Proper ventilation and protective gloves and safety goggles are required to perform penetrant test.